hotter. What them a go do ya now? NEWLINK on the attack now. Bring a old trendsetter. NEWLINK. Hotter.
Yeah, bless up my people. Big up on yourself and you don't know what's a NEWLINK there. My people, you know what I mean? Yeah, man, day and the day your people. But right about now, boy, I tell you some things are go on. That I hear there, know people. Wow, it's not an easy road. Not an easy road. Tell you my people. Right about now, why NEWLINK I tell us it's not an easy road, people? Because a story when NEWLINK I go tell you what go on in the yard and now people, it's not an easy road. You know what I mean? You know when I say young people what try make it in a life, two young people come together. As there's some people that said the Romeo and Juliet thing, I told them of this incident that took place in the Jamaica people. You know what I mean? But I'm gonna tell you my people, boy, it's sad when we reel out that one. Cause here what go on now. This said that right? Now the community of Marvel, you know, in Kingston there. You know what I mean? There's this 22-year-old young man, people. You get me? This 22-year-old young man. And this young man and our people, you have a young girl who's basically the same age with him. So it is said that people in this community admire these two young people in a tense community like Marvel, you know, so you is an inner city place and look a boy place, you know what I mean? And them say this youth and the girl is so loving. When them a go and work together, you know what I mean? Two of them together. At times being them coming together, but sometimes shift do change. You know what I mean, people? So they said that these two are always so loving, so everybody that call them yo like somebody in the community, everybody look up to a trendsetter in the community as a young people, motivator. You get me? I say, so them look on this young man and I say, yo, then I love to see every young man in the place be like this. But my people, when NEWLINK I go tell you now about what happened. Now people, it's really sad. See? Because you ever wonder, you know, oh my God. So they said that on Saturday, May the 18th, 2019. Oh my. This young man was coming from work in his community. Unfortunately, his woman is not there at the time with him. Or maybe it's your reason. Well, people, them say the time is about 3:30 a.m. in the morning when this young man was pounced upon by a group of men who alerted and started fire several shots. They fired 10 shots hitting this young man, people, all over his body. When people in the community come and find him and so on people and them carry him to hospital, he was already dead, people. Zine, I'm telling you what I go on, you know. Now the whole community in Marvel I talk about this incident because what really makes their talking tip, they must say, they can't believe is this young man. This young man is a youth who work. This young man is a youth who always did that with them woman people. It's not a young man who you see all over the place in a bad company and go this or do that. It's a young man that people look up to. So they must say, yo, if I am love life, if I am relationship, why them took out this young man? Them said this young man is a man who always have up him. Oh my God, me can't be, yo, it's sad enough, people. You know when I see a young man who I decide say, yo, you are going to make a change in my life, you know. You get me, I say, me not want in a them thing there. Right now, I just my woman and me together. I saw me a pre-life and the devil find him ways and take out this young man, people. I mean, I tell the viewers and subscribers, people at the community right now, because I'm not from Marvel, right? But them a talk about it and them a say, yo, they don't say the reason, see, for this to happen. They don't see the reason. They don't see the... Alright, please. Yeah, man. So, yes, people, them not see the reason. You understand? Yeah, man, them not see the reason. But they are, boy, me I tell the people, and yo, in the end, me I tell these people, sometime in a life, there's nothing we can do too good for please everybody. See? You with it there? You live your best life ever, your happy life, and the devil find him where? How if you come cut your life short? See? Because the people must say, them not say what this young man do. The people really do this to him. So, the viewers and my subscribers at times be NEWLINK who did it and NEWLINK will say, you know, say yo, such and such and such and such. everybody, and everybody people kill sometimes. People kill people that's a bad mind sometimes, you know, people. Grudge, envy, you know. Maybe they want this young man for them and for them check and them boy, you know, that's your boy I live so you know, slap out him face now. Boy, I move like say, him a top man in a place of the woman and everybody attack. That boy in the power level, you know, we have to get rid of that dude there, you know. And see it there. When at the end of the day, my people, all in NEWLINK but say, remember there's a man up above, you know. And them see and them know everything what go on the land out there, you know. Him see and them know everything. So no matter what we are do on earth, what we are do on land, and we feel say, yo, are we run things? No! And now we are run things, man. And the creator run things. Zin, you walk out, you are coming in. Just remember, say, the creator run things, and people. So you see, uno boy, let me tell uno something right now. Uno boy, who take out this little young man life. This young man who are try make life. This young man who are motivate the community of Marvel. This young man who will for bigger people and look up people look up to. Oh no, take him out because of him woman and him Romeo and Juliet nice and easy going life. You see the attack when you willing to go on, a straight attack for no. And just remember, me not gonna ease up attack, me not gonna yo. The people, time will tell. As them say time is the master because all people down in the place are looking at people and they must say, yo, this young man, him shouldn't gone. So, you know, I say nobody for render evil for evil, but these people who commit this brutal act, time will catch up on them. Some people, I don't know a thing, man. This is NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production again, people, and I don't know people right now, don't know, so we have a thing right now. I go on people on Caribbean tour for 2019 and the summer. They get me, I say, I don't know, they can make the bookings, and right now, people, I don't know, so we sign off to a new booking agency. So they can check it out on my Insta, on my Facebook page, NEWLINK Production, you'll see it. Red Snapper, and them I do the bookings right now for NEWLINK Production, Red Snapper promotion out of Canada people. So, and that's the thing, that's Canada dates them every one of the day. No line up, link up. You see me, I say, MC event host right now, NEWLINK ready with them artists with me DJ, everything, full package, me I get the people. I'm not a joke thing, people, because me need to come drop some attack in the place. So, my viewers and my subscribers, until now and then, peace and love. See there? It's a beautiful day today. Look at it, people. No sunshine. Rain was falling yesterday, but today, it's a beautiful day. I will give God thanks for that. Enough love, people. Enough respect. Peace. Be good. I'm out. Bless you.
What them a go do, you know? NEWLINK and the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. NEWLINK.